Hello everyone, I have got some thrilling news to share with you today. We have an exciting surprise coming up and it's going to take your learning journey to the next level. Once again, welcome to our daily quiz session designed to help you prepare for the AFO exam. Today, we will test your knowledge and skills in key areas relevant to today's target topics. If you have missed our today's target topics, check out my previous shorts video for more information. Without any delay, let's start our quiz. IRRI located in dash. Option A, Mexico. Option B, Manila. Option C, Colombia. Option D, Nairobi. Yeah, this is our surprise. Hereafter, we provide 4 options to enhance your exam level preparation. Answer, option B, Manila. Second question, RBI was established in which year? Option A, 1954. Option B, 1945. Option C, 1935. Option D, 1925. Answer, option C, 1935. Third question, NBA located in dash. Option A, Delhi. Option B, Kolkata. Option C, Mumbai. Option D, Chennai. Answer, option D, Chennai. Fourth question, edible pot of cauliflower dash. Option A, curd. Option B, cyme. Option C, catkin. Option D, hips. Answer, option A, curd. Fifth question, a form of low pruning up to 2 meter height of stem is called dash. Option A, softwood cutting. Option B, micropropagation. Option C, pollarding. Option D, trimming. Answer, option C, pollarding. Sixth question, apical bud dominance is caused by which hormone? Option A, gibberellic. Option B, auxin. Option C, ethylene. Option D, both B and C. Answer, option B, auxin. Seventh question, in rice, ammonical fertilizer should be applied in dash. Option A, reduced zone of soil. Option B, oxidized zone of soil. Option C, both reduced and oxidized zone of soil. D, partially reduced zone of soil. Answer, option A, reduced zone of soil. Eighth question, which pulse crop does not fix N from the atmosphere? Option A, rajma. Option B, cowpea. Option C, mung beans. Option D, black grams. Answer, option A, rajma. Ninth question, principle of insect physiology is written by dash. Option A, Dokuchai. Option B, W. Irby. Option C, H. Jenny. Option D, V.B. Wigglesworth. Answer, option D, Wigglesworth. The last and final question of this quiz. Ileum, colon, rectum are the part of dash. Option A, proctodium. Option B, hindgut. Option C, ventriculus. Option D, both A and B. Answer, option D, both A and B. That's all for today's quiz. Review your answer and get back tomorrow for more challenging questions to enhance your preparation for the AFO exam. Good luck! Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave your queries in the comments below. Let's crack this exam together.